We're just trying to get Virat coming alongside. Can you come in with Shubman, Virat, please? What does this mean to you? I mean, a special young man and one of the greatest we've ever seen. You two in the same change room. How does it feel for you to watch him? And what are you learning off this man?
Well, it's been amazing. Firstly, we wanted to bounce back after a tough Australia tour. Wanted to win a big tournament, and we ended up doing that. So it's an amazing feeling. Lovely playing with a bunch of such amazing youngsters. So much talent in the change room, and they're taking Indian cricket forward in the right direction. And we're only happy to help. Share our experience and try to make an impact whenever we get a chance. But yeah, these guys are stepping up in a massive way, and that's why we are such a strong team.
How much of an impact is he making?
Watching him on the TV when I was a kid and then playing against him and seeing the intensity at which he plays at is just phenomenal to watch. And I think it tells us what the game is all about, giving us everything, and that's the only thing that he talks about even off the field as well. Give your everything when you're playing on the field. And for him to be able to back his words like that is just phenomenal.
Is this the sort of thing that still drives you, Virat? These tournaments, these wins, being in and around this changing room?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, these are the things after playing for so long, such a long career. You look forward to situations where you're put under pressure and you walk in and you put your hand up. And I think to win titles, which has kind of been missing in the past, the whole team has to step up in different games. And if you see this tournament over a course of 5 matches, everyone has put their hand up somewhere or the other. And that's why we ended up winning this tournament. And people have made such impactful knocks, such impactful spells. And it's only a collective effort that can win you a title. And I'm just so happy that we were able to play as a unit, just really enjoy ourselves. We've had such an amazing time as a team here, in practice sessions, off the field, on the field. It's been, honestly, an amazing, amazing tournament for us.
We know you've got more in you, but when that time does come, you're leaving it in some pretty capable hands.
Oh, for sure. I mean, as Shubman said, I try to speak to these guys as much as possible, try to share my experience, how I've been able to play for so long, try to step in wherever I can to help improve their games. And it's only, as they rightly say, when you leave, you want to leave the place in a better position. And that's our effort. That's what we're striving for, that when eventually we are finally done at whatever stage, we have a squad that's ready to take on the world for the next 8-10 years. And these guys definitely have the talent to do so. And also the game awareness. And, they've stepped up already. So many impactful innings. This guy has played. Shreyas, beautiful. KL's been finishing games. So Hardik's a match winner. So, we are in good hands.